Good afternoon. I'm Samantha Subin. I'm a technology reporter at CNBC. I'm thrilled to be here today moderating this panel on generative AI from a business perspective. Since the launch of ChatGPT in 2022, we've seen generative AI evolve from a promising experiment to an essential business tool. Now we're entering a new reality that's going to redefine the way we work in the decades to come. Microsoft has described this shift through the concept of the frontier firm, a new organizational structure centered around hybrid teams and aimed at boosting productivity and creativity. Here, people work alongside AI agents and assistants, guiding them to complete tasks and drive results. But the real question is, how do companies actually get there? What does it take to transform traditional workflows? And how do we unlock AI's full potential while also managing risks? To help unpack that, I have a fantastic group of panelists here with me today, ranging from finance, tech, organizational, strategy backgrounds, and we're going to dive into how they're reshaping the next phase of AI adoption. To kick things off, I'm going to have each of them introduce themselves and briefly discuss their role in AI adoption at their firms.
My name is William Bundy. I'm a partner in the lead of value creation for private equity firms at McKinsey. My role in adoption of AI is like working with private equity investors and really trying to drive actual cash returns as you're actually implementing AI. To be blunt, not everyone has done that, right? There's a lot of withholds in order to get there. Some of the biggest ones are around the actual IT adoption that they already currently have. That's one of the biggest pieces. There is actually an underlying IT project, huge change management, as well as then actually the change management to get people to use AI.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tony Martinez. I'm a partner and head of Mercer's Sentinel Group. That is Mercer's internal operational risk and governance team. Over the past 26 years, I've worked in the intersection of investment strategy, operations, and the fiduciary risk around it. I think we're at a really, really exciting time, particularly in our space. We're not just talking about AI anymore. We're implementing it into our day-to-day. So my comments will kind of view around the fiduciary lens and perspective, the human side, and the change management side as we begin to use these tools. Mercer Sentinel evaluates about 800 managers every 2 years. So we have a unique front row seat from boutique and emerging managers to some of our big complex investment giants. We're all using AI currently today. So I think we have a lot of different perspectives and nuances that we see.
I'm Falguni Desai. I'm with Microsoft. I work in a financial services industry advisory role where I work with a lot of large financial institutions and banks, helping them understand how to use our platforms to really help them achieve the business outcomes they're looking for. And so it's no surprise that we're focused on AI and our Copilot platforms and our Azure platforms that support agent building. Where my focus lies is not necessarily with any one product set, but more around the use cases that are relevant for financial professionals, how they're using generative AI in their workflows, and what kind of value creation and profitability they can gain from that.
Hi, everyone. My name is 𝐤𝐬𝐢. I work for BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager. I personally belong to Aladdin Engineering Group. Aladdin is the risk and trading platform and the software offering of BlackRock. It has 4,000 to 5,000 engineers. So I can see BlackRock application of AI in 3 buckets to bring better client experience, to assist the investment process, and to improve the employee productivity. I personally, day-to-day, oversee the AI research function for client-facing and internal-facing AI tools.
Hi, I'm Harvey Stein. Presently work at 2Sigma. Started 4 years ago in the labs group doing general research around the firm, and recently switched over to option market making. Well, previous to 2Sigma, I was 30 years at Bloomberg, building up the quant group, doing option pricing models across all sectors and risk models, credit risk and market risk, and also teach risk management at Columbia University, the master's in quant finance program in the math department.